is Jay Ferris. I'm here to teach English. Alrighty then.
And now, time for healthy cooking at F-techenglish.
Because I am too f***ing fat.
We have two separate projects going on. At this point, what I am going to do is I am going to cut these limes, and after I cut these limes, I will juice the limes. Yes, juice can be a verb. And I am going to juice these limes in this little hand juicer. So here we go. Something I just thought of was you can juice a lime, or any other fruit, I guess, but with like a lime or a lemon or an orange or grapefruit, you can also squeeze the lime. How do I do that? Here, let me get it up here. To squeeze that lime juice out. Although it's kind of hard on the hands, the juicer makes it a little easier. And okay, so I'm going to get back to work. Okay, so now I'm going to take this meat. I haven't finished juicing everything yet, but I'm going to take this meat and I'm going to put it in the bag over here, this little plastic bag. What am I doing? Ah, yes. Then I am going to pepper the meat. Probably too much. This is probably going to suck really bad. It's a good thing we have a good pizza place just like, 4 miles away, because that's what we're probably going to order. All right, so I'm going to let this soak in the refrigerator for roughly 24 hours, and we'll get back to that later. Now, it is important to have a sharp knife. Now, it is important to have a sharp knife. That's the dullest piece of ever. What the happened to my knife? Okay, there we go. Must be sharp, must be dull down here. Okay, take 2. It is important to have a sharp knife. God, really? It is important to have a sharp knife.
Just throw it in the trash.
What the fuck? This is the worst knife ever.
I just watched you sharpen.
Look, what the fuck? Why don't you cut what I want you to? Okay, so let's cut the chicken. If you like that video, click subscribe, comment, because comments are always welcome. Click the notification bell and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.